Oh, got one.
Dude, I think I like this one more than my other one, to be honest.
All right, we made it to a new spot here up at the bridge, so.
There's a snake right there by your bobber.
Is he eating my bobber?
Do you see it?
Oh, I see it now.
It's really little.
Yeah, he's just a little guy. His first creek chub, and he just got a hook in his finger.
Hey guys.
Drew, be
Hooks
careful.
in your finger are good. How do you hold these things?
It's like a bluegill, I guess. Once you get it unhooked, we'll get a good picture.
I don't know if I'll be able to get it.
All right, there's Drew's creek chub.
Let's go, baby.
Hi, kid.
PB creek chub.
There it goes.
Dude, look how dirty we made that area over there. Though.
Finally.
Oh, that's another. Oh, that's a nice.
That's a pretty one.
It's a slab.
It's a Slabosaurus.
Oh.
I got one. Man, they're pretty though. Look at that.
Who made the treble hooks?
They are pretty in the creek. Just a real pretty guy.
Hey, can you get this one?
You want me to keep hooking? Oh, there's one right there. All right, we moved up spots here. Drew just caught a pretty nice sunfish, so. Oh, wow, top water. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, just caught another little green sunfish, pretty little fish. Off camera. Oh, top water. Oh, Drew, jeez.
That was a bass. No, that was a bass.
Actually?
I'm not even kidding. I saw that. I don't know if it was big, but...
Didn't look super big, whatever it was. Cast to my left.
See where that tree hangs over up there?
Yeah.
That's where you're gonna catch it. Oh, you got...
Oh, wow, that's bigger. Wasn't even paying attention. Dude, there's some bigger sunfish here. Oh, never mind.
It's still not like a tiny.
Yeah, he's like average that you can catch. Another one.
There are some pretty big ones. Whoa, this is like actually like a deep little channel. Oh my god, no, be careful.
Why is it slippery? You just sink a lot.
I wouldn't even try to walk on that ledge.
Oh, that's deep.
Oh my god.
All right, I found a little spot of fish, and I got snagged.
Oh, big crappie.
Oh wow, that was massive top water.
Massive fish.
What is that? Oh, it's a bass.
Oh, baby.
That a kid.
It's a largie.
Let's see, am I filming? Yes, I was.
Big largie, creek largie. Let's go, baby.
Guys, here's Drew's first bass of the day. We'll get a good release on him. Shoo!
Let's go, baby.
That was a good release.
That's kind of loud. This spot's a little juice hole.
There we go. Nope. He's pretty though.
Dang it, dude. I bet. I'm liking fish.
Another pretty fella. On the little slip bobber with the marabou jig. That's what's been catching them today. A little pink with a little white. It's pretty torn up. Uh-oh, it's coming towards my leg. Gonna hit my leg.
Oh, you might get him actually.
I don't even see him. Oh, someone's got it.
Dude, he ran with it.
I don't think that's the big one though.
The big one? The big one's found up.
Oh geez, he peed all over me. Another one.
Noah.
Had a big bite. I actually thought that was a smallmouth.
What? Did you say I actually thought that was a smallmouth?
I actually, for a quick second.
Check the radar.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to because my phone's so wet. Can you check it on yours?
I don't know. Just kind of want to get to this freaking bridge.
Check Google Maps on your bridge and see how close you are to it.
Why can't you just come off, stupid fish? I don't know if I can get this one out. Here, Drew. You want to work on this and I'll get my pliers?
Oh, you see that fish?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Eat it, you little dude. Oh, little one's got it. Come on, big one. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, a big one that literally can't get in his mouth. Oh, that's a nice one. Got you that time.
Oh, that's a...
It's a state record. Just kidding.
That's about half pound off state record.
Look at my marabou jig. They're tearing it up. Another one. I have no marabou jig left. That's the day right here. All the marbles.
Oh, they're falling.
No way! Last cast! Last cast! Oh my gosh! Last cast! Dude, this might be a redfin.
That's a big smallmouth. Nice.
Giant smallmouth.
Good job, Noah.
Guys, that was literally the last cast, no joke. Like, I already told Drew, didn't I? I already go like, all right, this is our last cast of the day for me.
Yeah, dude, that's like a 15 to 20 inch. Is that a freshwater redfish?
Yeah. Well, all jokes aside, last fish of the day. All right, guys, we're walking back after our creek mission today. Not very many bass or anything big, but had some fun with some green sunfish and fun time out in the creek. So we'll see you in the next video.